Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit funds from Cashapp to DSJ. First, open the DSJ website or app on your PC or mobile device. Log in using your username or email and password and complete any two-factor authentication if it's enabled for your account. Next, go to your dashboard and click on Deposit or Fund Account. Here, choose Cashapp or mobile payment as your preferred payment method. Now, type the amount you want to deposit. Make sure to check the minimum and maximum limits as well as any applicable fees to avoid errors during the transaction. After that, open your Cashapp and log in. Tap on Send or Pay, then enter the deposit details provided on your DSJ dashboard. This usually includes the recipient's account info or unique payment ID. Before confirming, double-check all the details, including the recipient info and the amount you're sending. Once everything looks correct, confirm the transaction in Cashapp and wait for the payment confirmation. Finally, return to your DSJ dashboard and refresh the page. You should see your funds reflected in your account shortly. If the funds don't appear within a few minutes, contact DSJ support for assistance. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.